Hey traders, welcome to episode 524 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here on YouTube with me, and for that I'm quite grateful. I don't know, man. I was live for like almost 3 hours today total, so there hasn't been much downtime since the last time I was live, so not much has developed or happened. I mean, probably like 1.5 60-minute candles have developed since my time last live. So holding 7,500, the what was it, May 12th candle high close, the wicks, right? You bounced off of it, but from the bounce, what are you doing? Absolutely nothing. You're not doing anything really bullish. All right, you broke down, now you're kind of retracing, stalling a little bit. And yeah, you could be setting up for lower prices again. Very well could be the case. Or again, we could run up 77.60 or anywhere up here, making a lower high than our previous highs. Retraces and then going again one more time. So you gotta ask yourself, I mean, what gives, man? When is it gonna stop selling? When are we gonna run and test higher prices again? If we are, was this it? Is it done? I mean, well, you figured you wouldn't be done since you just broke 77.60. There's no real good support till 7,400, which we got pretty close to, 7,489, 7,500. But again, there's like potentially an upsloping support where we could run down to like 7,100. And in these areas, we could fill the CME futures gap right down there. And it would make a lot of sense. It'd be like fitting a puzzle piece together. But we know it's not always like that. It's not perfect like that. So so anyway, yeah, I mean, if you missed the day stream, it was freaking crazy, man. Well, we had 2 day streams. One started on Twitch, and then we got word from Rip. I think it was Nick Irving on Twitch, said he like copy pasted the email where they relinquished their copyright strike on me. And man, as soon as I confirmed that, I mean, I went to my YouTube creator studio and saw that I could live stream again. I was just like, all right, y'all, see y'all on YouTube, and just stop the stream. And so yeah, we moseyed on over, and it was just lit, man. It was real fun, and thank you all so much again for inquiring about getting the strike lifted, because I most likely could not have done it at all without y'all. Okay, I didn't even know, like, it was someone else in the community. Not only did I email them and also email the CEO and all that stuff, a lot of other people did too. And so just great, man. Thank you all so much. This community is so incredible. Nick, you and a few others, yeah, there you go, dude. So thank you, man. Really appreciate it. And I have no idea what music's playing, and I don't even know how loud it is. It seems like it's louder than it should be. Who's over on Twitch like changing the lights, dude? I'm not live on Twitch, but you can go to Twitch probably and change my lighting. Okay. It's messed up, dude. Okay. My channel will bounce back. Well, I mean, it's not like I lost subs, dude. You do this on YouTube, and then you just do this, and then it starts doing this again. Like, when I started streaming again today, I mean, like up 100 subs pretty much in a matter of like 2.5 hours streaming today. Just like unreal. Like, there's no way to grow like that producing just static videos on TA with crypto and Tesla. Hey, it's funny? I think Tesla's the second static video I ever did for some kind of stock, and it's over 1,000 views. Now, it doesn't say it yet, but it's saying like it's already at 1,100 views, but the way it works, it's just weird. So that's crazy, man. That's awesome, dude. People care about Tesla, kind of, right? They got wrecked. It's been getting wrecked. What, you threatened Nugnet's dog? That was gay. It worked. He strong-armed him. I guess it played out. I think y'all dealt with a lady named Rose. I emailed her. I'm like, dude, thank you so much, ma'am. Really appreciate that. What's up, man? Yeah. So it was good, man. So here we are. Bitcoin done nothing since I was live before, but hey, I'm here. We got some music playing. I can't even hear if it's bad. Oh, it's that perfect level of generic. Perfect. Okay, I'm using, so I still have a subscription that ends on June 24th. It was a 1-year subscription. I bought it last year. My God, how is a year gone by? How am I like going on like a year and a half into like a streaming career? It's crazy, man. All right. I'm just drinking this tea, man. Okay, I'm trying to collect my thoughts. It's been an emotional day. Very emotional. You wake up. Oh, dude, waking up after this copyright strike stuff happened, dude, it feels so terrible. You're just like in bed, just like, oh my God, man. It's crazy, man. So we're going to have to be really careful about what we do going forward with music and copyright and stuff like that. So whatever, man. We'll make it happen, dude. Okay. And I do apologize because it's probably, it's all my fault, right? It's like me, it was me being reckless, I guess, with copyright. And it's like the Hyped on Crypto people, Matt Beasley, like when I was on their platforms, dude, oh my God, the amount of like, you know, I wouldn't call it nagging, but the amount of scolding I would receive from both of them on playing copyright music. It was just like, was I lucky for 800 episodes of of live streaming, or was it just like, what was it, man, that made it this time happen where I got struck? Subs are natural long-term holders. Jobbing, I guess so, man. Okay, so nothing's changed. This is Bitcoin, potentially in a huge ascending triangle, right? Again, I'd feel a lot better about this potential pattern, if we did sell off down to 7,100. We knocked out 2 birds with 1 stone, hitting this support, giving more confidence to believe this is a real valid pattern. It doesn't seem like it yet, because this right here, right? I don't know, man. Like, so this is a reaction low because this hit and this hit. So, I mean, I guess we technically have 2 reaction highs, 2 reaction lows. So, I mean, I guess it's still a valid pattern, potentially, besides the wick that's really weird. But I'm talking about killing 2 birds with 1 stone, where we would like sell off all the way down to like 7,100 or something. And that would fill that CME futures gap. We wouldn't have to worry about that or even think about it anymore. And people got really scared. And then we somehow at this level formed divergence or something. And then we exploded back up to 8,500. And then all the sell orders would fill, and then there'd be no more supply at this price, and then we'd be gone to 9K and 9,500. Oh, excuse me. You know, burping happens when you eat. Good God, man. Thanks for the 283 people here so early. It's about 14 minutes into the stream, only 10 minutes into like me actually being live. So that's it, man. Okay. Do I work out, Eklund? Well, I mean, I was working out, and I think really since April 1st, I haven't been working out, like, really at all. Because, dude, I don't know, when April 1st happened, we broke the wall. It was just like partying, streaming, videos, patrons, just doing everything. It was so much. It was just like, I don't know. I put it on the back burner. It's just kind of also just like, I don't know, man. I'm not going to meet any girl or anything while I'm doing this. I'm not going to meet a girl where I live now. I'm going to definitely, when I move, I think I'll probably have a better shot somewhere else, not here. And it's really just because I need to reset my social life. Okay, I think I'm in a social ice age right now, where I've neglected the crap out of going out, doing things, really enjoying things for myself. I've put my whole life into like building this channel and helping other people learn about technical analysis and trading and all that. And so, you know, if you don't keep balance, man, maybe one thing's really good, but the other side, like, it's equally as bad. And so that's what's happened in my social life. So I just got to get back in it. So that is stemming to, do you work out, right? Anyway, hey man, what if I stream 7 days a week? You're gonna get to know me, like, get over it, right? Oh my God, no, dude, you're supposed to just talk about charts the whole time, man. That's not how it works, man. Go watch a static video from Crypto Kirby, dude. All right. If you don't want to learn about stuff or learn about my life. Anyway, okay. Let's go to Ethereum Connect real quick. Okay, big red candle in 4 hours. Right? I mean, triangle, was it even really a triangle? I mean, really? That's what I'm saying, white space. It just kind of like broke the channel and then dumped. You know, you could have just held this, and really people were, a lot of people, I'm sure. Let's go to the 60-minute. Had it plotted like this, where it was just like everything, all the other alts, Ethereum did the same thing. They were all upsloping, all had their channel, and then they you know, broke the channel, right? And so what do you probably should just adjust here, okay? That's what I think one should do. And what we'll do is we'll keep this one, the larger one, visible on the 4 hour, and then we will only we'll let this one be only visible on the 60 minutes, and that's going to keep things cleaner. Okay. That's tough, man. It's tough. There's so much stuff going on, you know, different time scales. But hey, man, you can't really be that upset because from a high point to low point, you retrace 62% of the way, double topped at it, one top, second top, and you've sold off. And here you are really close to that neckline. You break that, man. I mean, dude, isn't that not real? Is this not real life? Is this not John Wayne Jesus, dude? Or excuse me, John Wayne Jesus, man. Y'all remember? Hey, John Wayne Jesus is an old meme, dude. Old meme. Does anyone remember the legacy meme of John Wayne Jesus? As I remember. So, Ray, what are you talking about? Double top, man. I mean, like this, in retrospect. It's not even retrospect because it hadn't even broken out yet. Not technically, not double bottom, right? So you got the neckline. Right here. This is the valley that gave you the two discernible peaks, which is double top, and you're very close. You're very close to that valley, but you've not quite touched it, but you're below all three moving average on the 60 minutes. Oh my god, man. Hold on. Dude, I don't want to see this on the freaking either of these. Dude, hey, y'all tell me, like, be real, be straight up, because this isn't like me playing DJ. This is me, like, on Epidemic Music, letting the, what's it called, soft house play on loop. If it's trash music, just tell me. Just tell me. And there's overwhelming amount of contempt for the music. I'll change the crap out of it, man. But I can barely hear it right now. All right. Holy crap, my bad. So, hey, dude. That's a very large pattern, right? Breaking that measure move is going to put you down, way down here, dude. Are you ready for that? I don't know if you are, man. I really don't know. So don't break 239 because you have a clear as day pattern on Ethereum Connect. Okay. Oops, sorry. Oh yeah, they have a Coinbase chart. I forgot. Yeah, nice. On Ripple, dude. Wow. This one, you know, it wasn't a double top, right? It was like distribution with a buy wall. And so similar, right? If this thing would have run up to 42 cents again for the double top, it'd look almost identical to Ethereum, but you can clearly see they were different. One's a lower high, one was a double top. So, and also a difference is if you had that discernible valley, or that valley that gave you the discernible peaks, you've broken it, man. You've broken it, but you're holding support at 36.871 cents. Look left. There's a reason. There's a force of supports here. You break that, and you're real bad, man. You got to hold that as support. Looks like we're trying to right now. Okay. Definitely looks like we're trying. Oh my god, man. What the... Hold on, dude. Oh yeah, that was if we broke out. If we broke out, which we didn't. We did not break out. The bump and run failed, right? We had a chance, but as discussed, it's like do or die time, right? You had the upsloping support here. You broke it. And that was it, man. You've just been selling off. So the channel's still very real. I'm not going to make this... This will only be visible on the 1 hour. It's just too much, man. It's too much stuff. So we want to see that. We will. Do so much work, like making all these only visible on one time scale. It's so annoying. Okay, so, you know, we were discussing what it could look like. All right, though you do have, it was like this, right? You had it was like a false breakout. You could never find the buying pressure, right? And you just sold off. So you just adjust now. We've made our adjustments to the downslipping structure, the downslipping channel, and we're just holding support. But does it still not to you seem like some sort of distribution, right? Distribution, lower highs, or we just have consecutive lower highs, and we have a buy wall, and we're hitting it. And though it looks like you had a smaller one here, look at this. You zoom out, you can clearly see what I'm talking about. Take the horizontal line support and then take this. It's like a descending freaking triangle, man. That's not really what you're looking for. Bitcoin bearishly engulfing on the 60-minute, down 76.15 right now. Pepeski, welcome, comrade. Yeah, keep grinding. I think so, Justin, man. I'm glad you can relate, dude. I really appreciate that. I'm about to turn my air conditioning on. I'll be right back. Hold on, like 2 seconds, okay? Yes, John. Yeah, and you'll, the question you ask, you must be new. You must be very new here. Yes, people make money on this stuff. Okay. So anyway, and it's all documented too. It's not like, oh, we're talking on our butts. You can go look at all the evidence, dude. You've got all these episodes. You can go back and look, man. All right. I mean, if you really just want me to bring up the V1. Holy crap, whoops. Hold on. I mean, really, John Gonzalez, dude. All we have to do is just go back to late December. Look at all these lines, dude. Oh, can anyone make money on these lines, dude? Well, guess what, dude? These lines helped us find the bottom. Like, we're talking the higher low bottom on Bitcoin. We're talking 33.43 entry. From our entry, we hit $8,400. Okay. We expected lower prices, but we said the entry on the 1414 right here. 33.43. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, man. Okay. We ran down, hit the entry, double bottomed off the entry, and see ya. That was the bottom, dude. So we technically called it. The higher low bottom. Not the first one, but we ended it. We did say there's bullish divergence on that slightly lower low from December 15th. So you can call it funny all you want, dude. What's up, Miami boy? I don't know. I gotta look at some chat. I've like not engaged at all with chat. Okay.
I did some reading on this VT indicator. What are your thoughts about it?
What are my thoughts about it? I don't know, man. It's isn't it there to like, it's kind of like an overbought thing, an overbought oscillator of some degree for Bitcoin, and every time you hit like that certain top part of the indicator, it would be like, it would dump. It was like great FOMO levels of 2013, great FOMO levels 2017. Like every time we'd be hitting it, we'd be selling off hardcore. But like this most recent time, I think when we hit it right before April 1st or right after April 1st, whatever it was.
What up, El Ray? It feels like just yesterday I was telling you to keep your head because we would get through this together. We always do, and look at us now. We made IT. We are back. Retrace Kings. Just look at IT. Will you just look at IT? Do not get trapped.
Oh, would you look at that?
Mr. Damon, man. Yeah, dude, it's true, man. You just never know, man. Like, I expected the worst. I was fully in complete acceptance of the copyright strike. Like I made all the necessary, I took all the necessary actions that had to be made to maybe reverse the copyright strike. But after doing that, you just say, it's over, man. We're screwed. Okay. So there's nothing we can do about it, and we're going to be banned. So let's just get used to Twitch. And when you have that attitude, it's like, hey man, if it works out, all the better, right? So thank you, Mr. Dayman, for the 5. The Herman Miller Aaron, Jesus man, thank you, dude. Love you, dude. Ethereum Connect in the jar. Well, no, Ethereum Classic Connect in the jar. Sorry. Been an emotional day, man. My nerves. All right. So what is happening right now? Wow, dude, somebody's going to heck. Or let's just say someone's going to hell. Okay, man. Have fun. Burning in hell, dude. No one really cares about you. Wherever you are. What's up, Greg Noblin, Brian Griffin, Skyward, Stay-at-Home Dad. Hey, Marty. Brooklelinos, Sahib, Nathaniel, Zach Zan, Zankovsky, Sahib, Zachary, Schneider. So Star Wars Worlds Connect. Hey man. Subs forming a bull flag pattern. Expected breakout target 10k. Marty. That'd be... How's that? That's not a very good reward to risk. If you think about our sub count, right? Sub count like this. Okay, I don't think if you're flagging, right? If that's 10k, dude. If that's not a very good, that's not a measured move. I mean, that might be a 1272, a minor 1272, but that's not a very good target, dude. You're not even going to get good reward to risk if 10k is the target on our YouTube sub count, since we're already at 97, 92. It's not even going to have time to retrace. How could we even have a bull flag if we don't even pull back on subs? Right? Am I crazy? Dude. Oh my god, it's doing this crap again, man. Okay, we're good. Thanks, Marty, man. What's up, Eklund? DP, Polly, Matt Schaffer. Crypto Sourdough. All we want is you, no FOMO. Nice, dude. Very nice. Think you're talking about Bitcoin, though. Yeah, Landcap, yeah, we made it back home, dude. We made it. Thanks, Nathaniel. What's up, Sam Arnold? Your mom's scaring you. Please help. I don't know if we can really do anything about it, man. But best of luck to you on your adventure. What's up, Robbie Nelson, Terry Tees, Anthony Rosano. There's Nick Irving. Thanks, man. Gritters, hey, glad to be back, man. Thanks for the welcome. What's up, Vitaly? Mr. Russia man. It said something. Looks like it says something in Russian, then connect. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna copy that. Look, it looks like Mitch Ray Connect in Russian, dude. Look. Nice. Everyone unsub so we can get a proper retrace. So so whales can accumulate at areas of value on sub count. Makes sense, dude. Makes plenty of sense. Twitch was fun, actually. Yeah, it was pretty fun last night. Today, though, wasn't. I mean, it was okay. It was good, like, we were streaming, we were going hard, we were analyzing. But, I don't know, man. Like, very little people. There's no organic growth. There's no people over there, so. Does anyone like VeChain? We like VeChain so much we do this. VeChain doing things. Okay, you tell me. What's up, Elliot? Yes, I'm alive again. Sorry, just getting through chat. I mean, like, just starting to engage with chat. So, don't let it happen again. Hey, I'm not. I'm playing non-copyright music from my Epidemic account that I've had active for a year. I haven't used it in like 9 months or something. Oh my god, so behind on chat. What? What did Zach Zankovsky say that got him banned? What? Hold on. Maybe you got timed out. I don't know. I'm trying to... This is definitely disrupting my chat engagement. What's up, Blue Man? You had the Bitcoin double top on the daily. Is there any credence? I mean, dude, it definitely could potentially be a double top, yes. But then there's arguments that could be made that it's not. That it could just keep running the upside. But I don't know. The more you sell off like that after hitting that top, I mean, the more it's signifying to the market, hey man, that was the top. We just confirmed that was the top. Okay, on the 4 hour 3 times now, on the daily twice. After getting a discernible valley before running back up to give us a discernible double top, right? What's up, Drew? Lost your gun? Shaylin, man. The graphics man himself. Can someone tell me what happened with, what's his name? Zach Zankowski. Why did he get banned? He was saying very positive things earlier in the stream, and now all his messages have been deleted. I'm just kind of curious what's happening with that. Anyone? Bueller? Do we even really need to do this?
Bueller.
Oh, that was to the beat, man. Comrade, you've been watching too much Chernobyl. That must be it, dude. That must be it. But they speak in like British accents, so. How do I feel about blockchain going private? You want to elaborate on that question more? XRP, the Green New Deal? So weird, dude. Sorry, man. It's just like I'm trying to get to the bottom of this deletions. I don't know, man. Well, yeah, Zach was just kidding. He said everyone unsub because we were talking about retraces, and he just wanted to make sure we had a common retrace so we could accumulate. Whales could accumulate. What's up, Tom S? Thanks, man. Okay, BK. Anyway, man, you've been watching XRP closely last couple of days. It moves exactly when Bitcoin does. Of course it does. Yeah, man. Of course it does. That's what it does for the most part. Here's Kang Logan. He says NVT equals relationship between price and network TX volume on the chain, the blockchain. Basically shows people are paying a premium and less new money is entering when price is higher than relative network value. Thanks, Kang Logan, for the clarification to Kangman.
It's sloth day for me, so I'll be chipping and asking some random questions.
It's sloth day for you? Sloths are interesting creatures. You know, it's like with all the natural selection and evolution that's gone on in these millions of years, how are sloths still doing things, man? Right? Super slow. Suka Blayat. It's Blayat Connect, man. Is that what it is? Is there a chart for mid-trade TA coin? Does someone want to pull one up? I think it's on the Waves. I mean, I know it's on the Waves platform, but I don't think it does anything. Okay, so anyway, Bitcoin 76.38 going nowhere. Gone nowhere since the day stream. So we're just here, hanging out, taking a breather after the big red candle broke us below 77.60. All right, got alerts set up. Andre Kutsi, you sound Russian, dude. You sound real Russian, man. Hey, bearable guy. You think Zach Zankowski is cool? He was saying unsell held the channel, get the pullback needed for whales to find areas about. Exactly, dude. He's cool, man. He didn't do anything wrong. What's up, Weaver boys? Oh God. Oh God, Kova coin. All right, what kind of special powers does Kova coin have? Tell me how it's different than all the other S coins that exist out there. Okay. You don't see an issue with private companies using private blockchain? It's a more secure form of data storage. You're fine with companies securing data? Yeah, dude. Absolutely. Look, dude. At the end of the day, it's about making companies more efficient, you know, and really, the best thing is artificial intelligence. Really running the blockchain, right? Super efficient, super fast. And higher efficiency equals greater yield on revenue, right? Lower bottom line. Dude, oh my God, all my chat just disappeared. What the? Okay, Zach just comments were taken out of context. Well, uncontext them, chat, please. What's up, Craig Ray? We still here? Yeah, we still here, Station Man. We did it. We didn't get copyright struck today. Again, man, how bad would that be if I like came back and played Nugsnet music just to F with them? And then Rose would be like, customer support. Oh my god. What's up, Sam? Alex, I'm doing well, man. Doing well. A lot better, I guess, after all the news broke today. Still, like, shaking, man. Seems like a month ago it was 2.5 days. That's, like, what it turned into, alright? Zach Zankowski, get wrecked, Kappa. Alright. Sloth Connect, yes. Sloth Kang's doing things. Wow, dude. Your city's testing a self-driving shuttle. Oh yeah? What kind of GPU does it use, man? Does it use NVIDIA technology? It's kind of taking over. Okay, man. Alright, so what happened today? Oh, that call. Oh, man. Okay, lower highs. It looks like Ripple, doesn't it? Definitely looks like Ripple. It was a scuffed, scrubby Head and Shoulders, too. You could argue you fell below critical supports, right? You had to hold it, you didn't, and now you're near another one, right? Another support from March 2019, April, multiple times, right? You see, you're trying to hold support here back from January. Not very strong, though. So, yeah, man, breaking this very, very bad. I mean, there's not real, like, there's one scrubby support. I mean, there's a little bit at 10.87 cents, and dude, after that, man, it's like 9.6 cents. So Stellar better hold, man. It really better hold. I mean, this one was an upsloping support, though, we know that. But, dude, distribution, consecutive lower highs, it looks like we're facing a buy wall right now. All right. 60 minutes. Oh, man, it didn't say. Maybe it was on the other screen or something when I plotted this, but it was just a channel. Right, was it? Actually, no, this one wasn't. I think it might have been, I don't know, one of the other assets. Dude, all these on the 60-minute look almost identical. Many of them, all right? So, ADA looks similar. Okay, yeah, look, ADA, man. It was like an upsloping support, and then you broke it, and when you broke it, you went hard. And now, oops, and now you're at this area, right? This May support where we bounced, right? You got the chop here from early or mid-May. Look left. I don't know, not too much, man. Not much support. Right, so breaking this would probably yield you down to 7.2 cents, which is less than a cent, but whatever, man. Lower highs than your previous highs, and there's a buy wall propping you up for now. All right, near oversold in 60 minute. Whatever, man. It's not about me thinking if we will hold in the short term or not. It's about not knowing, but understanding where we will potentially go if we break that bearishly or bullishly. You get it? That's what TA is about, man. It's about understanding and knowing what's ahead of us if or when we decide to break a support resistance, right? That's what it's about. Mitch, do you always draw your trend lines to the wick or sometimes to the candle, even sometimes combination? Yeah, you do what makes the most sense. And really, like in this situation, just 1 wick, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, and then it lined up perfectly. There was actually a wick here, and wick here. Like, it's just perfect. Sometimes it lines up perfect, but sometimes, yeah, you do need to go with what makes the most sense. And then you have the heart line on your parallel channel to help you check your math, per se, I guess you could call it that. And it's just about support resistance in the middle. Okay. Hit 6,800 Bitcoin. What? Just manager? Oh my god, Prism to Lisk. Yeah, dude, that's the best pair in the entire universe, dude. Maybe even the multiverse station, man.
What would you choose as your last meal?
Wow. Never thought of that. I don't know, man. Maybe like let's just go with Wagyu bison rare with, and that's like the meat, I guess, with like lobster tail and then a crazy loaded baked potato and sauteed mushrooms or something, I guess. Someone write that down in case I ever get death row. We'll get, I don't know, man. Yeah, my largest holding is Titty Coin. And also let it be known for the record, since we're on YouTube now, it was a Kappa. There was Kappas there. Alright. Drunken Chicken, yeah, Leroy Jenkins, man. I can't play anything besides non-copyright stuff. This is probably terrible music, and I do apologize. I can barely hear it. Whew. Weaver Boys, you are borderline shilling your crypto, okay? Because it's like, you're not like talking about this asset that you think so wonderful, and then like other sentences you're engaging with the chat and talking about random stuff. You're just shilling your coin. Every time you open your mouth, you're talking about this. So that's like, what's your angle, dude? You trying to dump on people's heads? What are you doing, dude? Right? Doesn't make sense, man. Okay. Yeah, Death Row Connect. Kevin, man. Oh my God, dude. Yeah, I might get a beer in a second, man. It's been a crazy day. Emotional day. Oh, and dessert? Dessert would be definitely Bananas Foster. Okay. Certainly Bananas Foster. And then maybe some creme brulee with it if they allow it. Who knows? It's a make-up world or make-believe world. These questions, right? So, hypothetical. Holy crap. Sloth Wars Worlds. Very cool, man. Very cool. Yeah, Brooklininos, it's kind of like I didn't even have time. I mean, I had time to eat dinner, but it was like, okay, like sit back, relax for a second, and here we go. We're back at it, you know. It's like, oh, it's like almost showtime again, dude. I understand, Weeper Boys, but you just gotta be careful, man, because there have been many people just like you that are low-key shilling scrubby assets that we don't really care about. This is a technical analysis show. This is not a blockchain love fest, okay? For the most part, we all in here have great. There's projects out there that are potentially capable of changing lives in the future, but not yet. We're in the cash grab phase, the scam phase of this market, and we know, for most of us, traders market. Okay. I had you until bananas. Gross, man. Gross. Get your mind out of the gutter, man. Okay, we could also, what is it? Diabetes, man? One word diabetes? I don't think I'll ever find it, man. Okay, I think I might get a beer. I don't know, I'm finishing up this tea, and it'll just relax me, man. Nice, dude. Not one tea leaf that time. Sweet. Alright, hold on. So let me get this beer real quick. Kangs. And let me turn up this scrub music so I can hear if it's really bad.
So based on your choice, my read is that you grew up on a farm maybe, or at least did a lot of outdoor activities as a child.
Grew up on a farm. What was that? So based on your choice, your read is that you grew up on a farm, or maybe at least did a... Yes, I didn't grow up on a farm, but, you know, like... I mean, half my family's from Auburn, and my papa was a veterinarian, and we had, like, 5 different farms. And so, yes, I'd go down there all the time, and go fishing, and, you know, shoot guns, and play in the cottonseed, and, you know... occasionally, like, ride horses and play with the goats, and there were cows. I mean, like, yeah, dude, like, definitely had that aspect of my life, but, I mean, that was only sometimes. I mean, for the most part, I grew up in the suburbs in Birmingham, played video games all the time, and did sports and athletics in school, man. So, you know, it helped me become a more well-rounded individual, I do believe. Not to, you know, you stay on a farm too long, you know... Start talking like this, man. Okay. So thank you, dude, for the 382 and Manimal, dude. Thanks for the 252 super chat. We holding, baby. That's what he said. XRP, the Green New Deal. Thanks for the 199 super chat. He says I've been watching for a while. Thanks. Well, thank you, dude, for the support, man. The XRP in the jar. You know what's up, dude. You know what's happening. Okay. Also, while we're looking at ADA. That's your coin, bro. Sorry, Manimal, dude. I'll get off XRP or ADA real quick, alright? I'm a farm boy, dude. Nah, dude. Never milked a cow. Alright. Never did any of this. I came down just to hang out, go fishing. Dude, catfish farming. On a pond, man. On land. Just privacy is so nice, man. Hold on. Okay, sorry. I just popped my beer open. Oh, Jobin, feel free to post what TD Coin's project's about. We know what it's about, like land in the shape of domes on islands or something for rich people. That's right, Terry Tees. You got it. Thanks, Rick B. Oh my god, man. Reese Mad, Roll Tide. I look like a farm. I don't even know what that means. YouTube Gamer says that's why I tend to stick to his Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic Connect. I don't know about Ethereum Classic Connect. You know it's a joke, right? Kind of. That's good. That's okay. Hypoglycemic Connect. What? Oh my god, man. Rolling on the tide, laughing. So stay at home dad. What, dude? There were animals on the farm, man. That's what farms are, okay? Like, yeah, they're gonna be there. What's going on with it? Well, in the 60-minute, not too great, man. Distribution with a buy wall, holding support barely. 4 hour, let me clean it up. It shouldn't even be visible on the 60-minute because it's just such a small pattern. Well, I mean, dude, on the 4 hour, targets were hit. If you're talking about a trade, you ran up and double topped. And look, if it was a falling wedge or a channel breakout Momo shift, targets were acquired, they were hit, and now you're selling off lower highs. So this could very well sell off even further, right? If you look zoomed out where we are, sorry to tell you, man, if things don't change soon, we've fallen below critical. Look, you should have held above 8.1 cents, 8.7 cents, right? I mean, these were all overhead resistances that should have been held as support. Look down here. If you don't hold this scrubby 7.7 cent range, you're coming straight down to 6.9 cents, 6.8 cents, and then after that, you're going to fall down to 6.1 to 6.3 cents, right? So, getting a little sketchy here on ADA. All right, man. Okay. But dude, whatever, man. Like Trader's Market, if you had a falling wedge, it was beautiful. If you had a channel breakout, it was beautiful, dude. We're at 100% retrace. What's wrong with that, dude? At this point, just impulse. It was like a bear pull, bear flag, wasn't it? To some degree, it looks like a 4-hour bear pull bear flag, and you've broken out, and you're trying to hold on to a scrubby small support, and the 200 moving average is at 7.33 cents. All right, that's the way it looks. Figured out who's using US dollar tether. Well, people that don't want to buy into Bitcoin pairs that get wrecked no matter what. Some like almost on anything, like volatility. Bitcoin pumps, it dumps. Bitcoin dumps, it dumps. Bitcoin doesn't do anything, it dumps, right? That's BTC pairs. Then you get stopped out into Bitcoin, and if it's dumping, right, you get doubly screwed. Ethereum Classic, dude, you know, like, what happened, why it's Ethereum Classic? I mean, that should tell you. And you know, like, they leading members of their team, like, getting into, like, teenage drama on Discord, like, kicking each other out. Like, that's... Why would you be in stuff like that? Oh, the leadership are a bunch of scrubs, dude. It's just ridiculous, man. Do they? Mike Gallagher says, hey Mitch, anything on music archive isn't copyrighted. They have Grateful Dead archive section, other jam bands and music categories. Oh my god, I need to look that up. Oh my god, this music's terrible. I can hear it now. I'm kind of scared about this. How do we know for a fact it's not copyrighted? Can you tell me? Oh. Dude, this song's called Vegas. Probably terrible. Thanks for the 503 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Let's get a like spike, sub spike. 97 subs. 3 subs away from 9,800, chat. 3 away from just 200 away from the big 10,000. Never done it before, right? You probably were saying, Daniel, the XRP to the, or be sent through Streamlabs. Yeah, it's not going to show up, but I'll tell you if I've got it, okay? And I have to explain it every time someone sends it that way. Streamlabs doesn't they didn't update their API.
Vegan for life, save raw 350k. How's my leg?
Nah, probably not. Ricky Swings, probably not, man. Like, just the ability to like eat, like, that's like my favorite thing is like eating, you know, like chicken or steak or fish or anything I want, man. And not enough money would make me become vegan. No way, dude. Okay, like I understand it's a lot of money, but it's just like, you're telling me to change my entire life, dude. That would suck, man. I would not like that. What's up, Brandon Cook? Thanks for the sub, man. Appreciate it. You can play any of the original stuff off your buddy's SoundCloud. Thanks, Kevin's here, man. Reese Madden, thank you, dude. Appreciate the kind words. Welcome to the stream, man. Okay, we're just, I don't know, a slow night, kind of. Altcoins selling off, right? The 4-hour moves. Even on the 60-minute, you had a move where you had a 60-minute falling wedge, you had a 4-hour falling wedge, dude. There have been opportunities, and right now we're just waiting for something to develop. All right. Dude, what's up, J Money Gaming? Thanks again, Reese, for the sub, dude. All right, what's up? I can just go back to Bitcoin, whatever. God, I hear this music, it still sucks. Like, my ears just don't like it, and this is what I'm afraid of. Like, I'm picky when it comes to music, and just don't like it, dude. So, you know, 3 times. There's a definite sell wall up here at overhead resistance. We know that for a fact. We know, besides the crazy gap fill or whatever, you know, the wick touching the CME futures gap, right? That was an exaggeration, whatever, freak out. You came back and created, I think, established a real swing low. So we've got 1 and 2 reaction lows, 2 reaction highs, 3 reaction highs. I don't consider this. This is one actual reaction high. Dude, a reaction high is when you run up, you sell off, you run up again. A double top, I think you do have 2 reaction highs. Go to the daily, it's the same thing, right? 2 touches. So arguments could be made on the daily that we are double topping, right? Here's your daily time scale. One high, you sold off, you created the valley, and now you have two peaks. And the second peak confirmed to the market we are screwed. But hey man, you fell through 7760. We were holding it for a while, but holding on to really nothing right now. I mean, the next real support on the daily is 7400. We know that for a fact. So hey man, if it can rally and hit 8500 again, dude, that's spectacular. But mysteries abound after we've run up like 50% of our value in like a week and a half or something crazy. Okay. Oh my god, excuse me, man. Freaking carbonation, dude. Getting pushed into vegetarianism is not by choice. Yeah, that's called vaping, right? Like the word rape and vegetarian put together is called vaping. Vape. Right. Oh my god, man. What are y'all talking about in chat? Eat everything in sight and lift heavy weights. Yeah, Demetrius, it's a good way to live life. Subscribe. You're liking the new Double Top soundtrack, Eric 4.0? Well, dude, what happened? What updates have you gone through to make you Eric 4.0? What was, you know what, Eric, man? What was a beta version, like alpha version? 1.0. Eric, tell us about your upgrades. We want to know in case we want to buy into Eric 4.0 Connect, okay? Okay, here we go, Stuart, man. Dog's gonna collapse. Yeah, one day. Probably not in our lifetime, though. Is that true, SD? I don't even know if that's real life, man. Okay. Well, that's right, Chalk, man. That's right. Hey, Eli. Freddy stream. I don't know what Freddy is, man. So is Tesla going down to $10 or $36? Nah, probably not. Not anytime soon, Jake Roberts. I mean, normally when you get those kind of hit pieces coming out, it's like, okay, time to buy. Not really, just because it's kind of like catching falling knife. We could go much lower, but dude, to say we're going to $10, $36 anytime soon, probably not, man. It would require probably the stock market crashing and like really bad like stuff coming out on Tesla, like extreme stuff to make it dump there. And again, it would take time for us to get down there. So we can talk about it more 180, 160, okay? Resort style holiday destination with timeshare possibilities is what Tittycoin is. Okay, here we go. Tittycoin is a cryptocurrency service platform that is designed specifically to suit your needs in this blockchain era. Nice rhetoric. That's a bunch of junk food rhetoric right there. Tittycoin will be the exclusive currency for Titty Island, a luxury resort-style holiday destination with timeshare possibilities. Tit will be the exclusive currency for buying and selling of goods and services on Titty Island. The Tit technology will enable instant payments to anyone, anywhere in the world with zero transaction time delay. This platform caters for all of the problems of existing platforms by providing a seamless and easy-to-use interface which is more secure than ever. With the use of Tittycoin, your transactions are safe, secure, and protected. Have they even built this Tittycoin luxury park? And what are they doing? Why are they calling it that? I just don't understand, man. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry, man. Just taking care of things. Just doing things. Alright, Big King's doing things. So bad, man. Oh, it's so bad. I swear I can't catch a break on these Not visible there. It should be not visible here. Dude, seriously, visibility is so annoying.
Would you do Harrian regularly for a year for 300k? Ha 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 ha.
Since you're laughing, I think you know the answer. Thanks, Ricky Swings, for the 382, the Fibonacci contribution, dude. Okay, thanks, man. Alright, here we are. Your US dollar pair, whatever. Uptrend. Very nice uptrend. Why is it not showing up? I guess it's only showing up on the daily. Yeah. Alright, so, you know, we had down sloping consolidation after the breakout of the down sloping structure. Okay. High to low. We had a 23% retrace, sold off, consolidated, created a double bottom, even visible on the daily. Broke to the upside, hit a measured move of this pattern already. Ran up as high as 89.12% of 1 penny. God. And we sold off. We sold off and just holding above that 236, 23% retrace from the high to low. And in time, we would expect at least 94.75% of 1 penny to 1.3 cents, 1.3 pennies or something, whatever. So you thought, I mean, I figured breaking out here, we would see, I mean, really, it seems like the measured move was hit with the wick, measuring this smaller pattern. It's really not that small, though. On the daily, it's 4 hours. It's beautiful. It's like a majestic pattern, wedge, double bottom combo. And so, I mean, TA was respected like crap, but since then, Bitcoin sold off. So what is VET gonna do? It's gonna sell off too, and still above the 20 and 50 moving average. Had a golden cross on the daily golden cross April 24th. Man, it's been pretty good. Been pretty good, pretty good, man. And we should probably see, unless Bitcoin really wants to screw the pooch and sell off hardcore, in time we should see these levels. This is called the golden zone, man. This is like your common retrace levels. Anytime you decide to start retracing, we finally are starting to retrace. We know that for a fact. Okay. Nah, Video Biscuit. No one wants to do that, dude. The legends are here, dude. Sorry. See, if you have to come in and shill my channel and try to poach my community, clearly they're not very legendary, are they? Who's the real legend, okay? You think I'm going in someone's channel and self-promoting my channel? Nah, dude. Not doing that. Who's the real legend, Video Biscuit? That's right, dude. Demetrius is a huge tourist hotspot. Huge reservation list. Double D reservation list, okay? They're going to have you, there's going to be the A package, the B package, the C package, the double D package, alright? It's going to be premium. Let's go, dude. Dude, music's terrible, man. Shut up. Oh my god. Hold on, man. This is so bad, dude. I'm over you. I'm over you, Twitch. I thought we'd be together forever. But now I'm over you. Alright. What's up, D? Takara? Welcome in. Who was a sample of VeChain doing things? Yes, Hodge Twins, Eric. Dobkin, yes. Correct. Oh, VeChain to BTC is much worse. All the BTC pairs are terrible, dude. They're terrible. They're like making all-time lows, and they're just from their all-time lows on a lot of assets. They had a nice pop to the upside. Now they're consolidating, and they could sell off. Okay. Get with the times, Kevin, man. Oh, okay, you're laughing at your question. Well, then no, I would not do heroin for $300,000. It would not ruin my mental health and physical health. I think once you become addict of something like that, like you're done, right? Like you'll be struggling with that the rest of your life based on what I've read about addiction and stuff, right? So, no, I'd rather not be messed up in the head forever with $300,000. Because, like, I figure if you do it for a year, you're probably dead before you even get there, and then by the time that happens, you'll be struggling with addiction your whole life. So that $300,000 you have would be like, probably you'd be tempted to like buy more heroin, right? So no, just to answer the question for the record. Type 1 if you like the music, 2 if you hate it. Okay, real quick now. Okay. Tropical house. It's pathetic house, man. This is not house. This is scrubby. Avicii at age of 3. Dude, we're going through an identity crisis here, man. We can't play our good tunes now, alright? Dark chocolate, Mike Lamb. Do I have crypto kitties? Nah, dude. I don't even know what... I've heard of them being made fun of all the time. I don't even know what they are, thank God. Okay, I'm just gonna say that. Some sort of scrubby crypto, right? Just another crypto, man. Another Pokemon. Another Beanie Baby. Great. Yeah, I thought it was something to do with building an island, too. Dang, dude. Mixed bag. Straw poll should have been better. See, I don't even think we can do it anymore. We can't even do these 1-2s anymore because you just never know. It's, like, mixed completely. Okay, Michael, you like it. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna hold it then. Well, let's vote on whether we like the music or not. Elliot, we've already done that, man. Get with the times. Okay, it looks like no one likes it, Kappa. Logan says, I've been to many houses in tropical regions, and this song has no correlation to the real thing. This is not called Tropical Paradise. That was the one before that I changed, okay? It was called Tropic Fun. The Fisher Price Pioneer decks, man. Pokemon versus Mario, which is better? I don't know, man. I'm mixed on that. I don't really have an answer for you. I can't answer. I don't know which one's better. Maybe Mario, but I don't know. Pokemon's so much more immersed. There's just so much more to it, I guess. Chat is delayed, that's why. Oh, I got you, dude. Well, you read my mind then, Elliot. Are you me? Do I know of any local bands in my area that are awesome? No, dude, I don't know anyone locally anymore. I'm literally abandoned my community. Dude, I used to be all in on my community. Like, I was helping people. I was, like, part of leadership groups. I was starting to get into politics. Dude, I was, like, all in, dude. I was like, oh, yeah, I'm gonna own Oak Mountain, man. And then it just, like, nope. I, Bears didn't sell me, man. I just, like, took off all my armor, threw it on the ground, threw my sword on the ground to Birmingham, and I said, melt it down like all the rest. And I walked away from everything to start building this. Okay. Beanie Baby Connect. Nah, dude, Bearable Guy, we can't do that. It would have to be 15 seconds each. That's fair use. But then again, I've learned that 15 seconds can sometimes screw you. So, what's the forecast, Demi Man? There's a chance we could break down to 7,400. If we don't hold 7,400, we should see 7,100. See what we're made of at this upsloping potential support. It may not even be real. It may not even be valid. But in terms of horizontal line support, 7,400 should be next, and then after that, we should see 6,800 if we can't hold and break back above 7,760. Okay, that's it. Crypto ruined me, man. Let it be known, Chi, that crypto did not ruin me. I was very much like, dude, what is this? And I was just kind of fascinated anthropologically, just seeing like what was going on, all the scams and all the frauds during the Great FOMO. I didn't even start producing content really until after the Great FOMO was over.
Along the more serious line, from what book is this quote? Trading mastery is a state of complete acceptance of probability, not a state of fight it.
What book exactly is it? I don't know, dude. Is it one of the Trading the Zone or Evolution of a Trader? I don't know, man, but we talk about that all the effing time, don't we? Thanks, dude, for the 382. Appreciate it, man. Well, as long as your music doesn't suck, Mike. Dude, it's like, what do we normally play? We're playing like amazing like guitar riffs and solos by Jerry Garcia and John Mayer and Jimmy Herring and Mikey Hauser. No one's gonna be able to do that. Like local bands and stuff. Can they really do that? Because they wouldn't even be local anymore. If they were so good, they would like be huge. You forged your S-Coin Slayer, dude? The Sword of a Thousand Truths. It's only been streamed. It's only been on stream one time, Mr. Shackman, and I see it mounted on my wall. Carrie, is that what's gonna happen? We're going to the moon after September. In their song. When is my book coming? Again, my book's not going to be so much on technical analysis as it is going to be on building an awesome community and like content creation and like just the things that happen to me, like that shouldn't happen to other people if they start and try to do things like this. So I don't know, man. I feel like it's just so early in the day, you know, of my tenure and career doing this, right? So Mike Gallagher, there's policy. Gosh dang it, I can't click it. I'll let Bradford read this, okay, to make sure I'm safe. I'm just gonna post it to him then. Yeah, Bradford, read that. That's like a straight up like the terms of service for all those awesome Grateful Dead songs and stuff. So if it says like no copyright, then we should be very, very safe to play Grateful Dead from this website. So Bradford, let me know what you think, man. CryptoKitties is actually Beanie Babies. It's a DApp on Ethereum network where you can breed collectible kitties. Jesus, dude, I didn't know you could ever breed Beanie Babies. Okay. Jag Brown, unless I know him, probably not, dude. I don't know Humphreys McGee. Like, I love their music. It's really good. I played it, and you know, I'm never getting copyright striked by any of these bands. Dish is the only one, and it's only because Nugs Net. Oh yeah. Can we watch the 1 minute chart? Nah, dude. There's plenty of channels that don't know what they're doing that will be looking at the one chart, not ironically. Okay. Brown Connect. Is the fact that we haven't gone significantly higher since the shorts were claimed on the 16th any significance? Yeah. I mean, it's kind of significant. It's just like, why have you not broken the upside? But... okay, arguments like I was talking to Hink. Well, he was talking to other people, and I saw it. I'm like, hey man, that's a good point. Reaccumulation phase could be going on right now. It's a Wyckoff thing. Let me show you. I showed an example of it. I think he did too. My mom was like more like in terms of Wyckoff himself, and I really don't. I need to probably study Wyckoff more. Maybe take like a course on it. I mean, it's kind of simple stuff. Not like extremely, you know, it's not like harmonics, dude. Like, you got to master Fibonacci for that. You don't really have to do that here, okay? So, you know, conventional labeling of Wyckoff reaccumulation trading range, right? Where you go sideways, right? There's a critical support, and then, you know, and that goes all the way down to 7,400 for us maybe here. You know, it's a little different, but look, you run up, like we had two tops, right? On the 4 hour. Trying to make it like line up perfectly. I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, so your two peaks, you sell off, and the difference is, you know, you kind of like crazy, you know, it's crypto and shorts and the futures market and the gaps and all that maybe caused that crap, right? But ran right back up, and now you're at your one more time, and now we're selling off ever so slightly. Okay. And eventually we'd like to break this, back test it, and then run again, right? Oh, excuse me, man. Dude, beer. Carbonation's insane, man. So pause an uptrend, ownership strengthened, cause a build for a new uptrend, right? So that could be potentially what's happening right now. Just a reaccumulation phase, which makes all the sense in the world if you're making higher lows. If at this point we can pivot, it doesn't matter. As long as you make a higher low than 68.86, I believe you're good, man. I think you're still developing that reaccumulation, but we all know you don't even have to know about Wyckoff to know that when you make higher lows, that's all that means is you're accumulating, right? So definitely room to sell off more. We can see that And really, the range could go all the way down to 6,800. Okay. So even if we broke to 6,800, you're still not screwed yet. The Grateful Dead openly encouraged recording of their music. Well, we're not recording it, are we? I guess we kind of are, but sure, you'll read it. I'll let you know. Thanks, Bradford, man. You lowly editor. Kappa, of course. Inside joke. Dave and Bell Toy Adventures, good to see you on YouTube again, alright? Okay, well, that's cool. I mean, really just read. Probably pick up a Wyckoff book and read about it more. I mean, it's very simple. It's horizontal line, now the yin-yang stuff. It's springs. It's 5% drops. 5% failures, as Bulkowski calls them. Alright, so... Anyway, man, I've been live for an hour and 17 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks to the 530 people here. Let's double our likes, man. We're at 235 likes now. Let's see what we can do, man. Can we get a like spike, a Kang spike? Just because we're back on YouTube, man. And it feels so good, man. You just don't know the emotion, man. Tone Base bet the CNBC guy that we will test 4,500. When, dude? When? And, you know, CNBC got what? He's on CNBC, talking to CNBC people. Wow, dude, he's so mainstream, man. Wow. Dude, I don't get it, man. I don't get, like, this whole, hey, I'm calling something, I'm gonna be right. Is it like an ego thing? Is it like people just think they're so smart that they're like, I know, man, I know what it's gonna do. What if I'm like, I don't know what it's gonna do, but I know what's gonna happen if we do break, right? I don't know what's wrong with that. Like, I don't see what is wrong with that. But TA is not some crystal ball. I'm calling this and it's gonna happen. I think this is gonna happen. I mean, like, you just talk about probabilities. Nothing is certain on these markets, and it can go either way. But we know exactly where we can go if it goes one way or another, right? You're looking for targets. Wait for confirmation on breakouts. Wow, man. Whatever. I don't get the whole. I'm making this call, dude. This is my call, dude. It's like, okay, congratulations on owning your call. So, anyway, dude. What's up, Summer R? Yep, I am back. I made it back, dude. Chris Rock, you saw The Dead at Three River Stadium the year before Jerry Pass was incredible. Man, had to be that, dude. That guy was incredible. Okay, before the halving. Wow, alright. And the halving's like in a year. Okay, dude, that's a long time frame, dude. Same person who called 2,000 before it ran to 8K. Remember, we were think about the whole time. Like, from December to mid-January, we were just screaming we were going to break the upside. There was the highest probability we were going to break the upside. It's stupid to be short here. No one that knows what they're doing would be going short at these levels. Not with big money, right? That could control this market. They'd never be going short. There's just too high a premium for a short. It just doesn't make sense. You're so low. You just lost half your value in 5 weeks. How could you ever not retrace? Like, we talk about it over and over, and it's just like, I don't understand what these people's analysis are that think when we hit 3150, we're going to keep going down. I don't get it, man. After the speed, the amount of time, the lack of time it took for us to dump so fast, man, you're going to get a response to the upside. And we got it. We got it extremely nicely. I mean, higher than my expectations, but dude, we were saying up, and look where we are now. 8,300. Crazy. Daniel, are you memeing? I hope you're memeing, dude. Jeez. Because I literally talked to you early in the stream, but realized there's like 530 people watching, and I think you're hopefully memeing because you're saying it in all caps, right? Yeah, I can't tell me we're back on YouTube, man. Yeah, well, semi-dot, I don't know, man. So just banter. Oh, I predicted Cartoon Bear will make all sorts of predictions. Oh, wait, that was last year. 589, end of the year. Yeah, I remember that, dude. Good God. D. Takara, we actually have a Mitroid TA coin on the Waves platform if you want to buy it, right? Yeah, well, how's that working out for him, dude? I mean, how's that manifesting into any sort of successful trade, right? Like, long term, look at those long exponential charts, does LA Wave stuff. Wow, that's really manifesting into lots of good stuff, man, right? Well, lost your gun, go to Waves then. Go to the Waves platform and go buy it if you think that. Put your money where your mouth is. There you go, Mark. I like your thinking, dude. I agree with you on that. Okay, but this is not the same market as the one Warren Buffett's talking about, right? Do I see a massive inverse head and shoulder on the one day for Litecoin, Paul? Probably not, man. Probably not. Nah, dude. That's not an inverse head and shoulders. That doesn't make any sense. No, sir. No, sir. Looks like just like cup with handle stuff. Sorry, I'm just trying to finish this beer, man. All right. So we're at 9810 subs, okay? So the countdown, man. It's getting there. All right, we got 190 subs away to 10,000. How fast will we get there, man? Seriously. Let's figure this out.
Fake copyright strike connect.
Ganatomo with no E. Thanks, dude, for the fake copyright strike. 321. Much love, dude. Thank you, dude. XRP, the new green deal. The new green deal. Thank you, dude. Is public chain better than Zcash or Monero? I don't know about Zcash, but it's probably not better than Monero. No way, dude. Monero is number one. Fungibility, the only one that has fungibility, right? From what I've read. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Okay, I'm posting a poll. Casting my vote. Go exercise your right as a community member to vote, man. Can I show you what an inverse head and shoulder looks like? Sure, Zach. Zankowski. Sorry, dude. My bad. Okay, dude, let's go, dude. Let's go look at an inverse head and shoulders for you candies, man. Here is your beautiful. I mean, the most textbook inverse head and shoulder. I don't know, people were like, it's not real. I remember we were talking about inverse head and shoulder. People were like, that's not even real, man. Double head.
Concept header adipocine elite. Nullum sidam ev elite vitametis timpus ultrasis. Proen said mosin exum laurit bibindum. Cura bitzer dimetis, gravitas ad volut patiu, veninatus ac me. Noum prusrum fermentum me, nec molest weda.
Well, I don't speak, Dothraki, so, could someone translate what the horse lord was talking about? Thank you, Hugh Janus. I think that's, Call Hugh Janus. Thank you for threes. Okay, something about volume. Anyone know Dothraki in here? Dwight Schrute? Anyone? Okay, there's your inverse head and shoulders. Kangs, man. Kangs. Alright, cast your vote. Because it's coming, but we don't know when. Maybe it's not. Some people say it's never coming. Alright. You must be tipped from a graphic designer. Don't even know what's going on, dude. Okay, inverse head and shoulders, Kangs. Double head and shoulders. Beautiful. So sexual. Super sexual. Alright. Does that help Zach, man? Zach with a K. Alright, it's like inverse head and shoulder. Broadening top pattern. Measure, move, hit like the Jesus man before getting wrecked. Then you got a rising wedge pattern. Get wrecked. Alright. All kinds of beauty. Look, falling wedge pattern. Break the upside. Largest short squeeze in the history of Bitcoin right here. Bear cipher, little brother. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Bitcoin gives us beautiful patterns. Super sexual.
We shouldn't react to people's ignorance. It's in people's nature to make ridiculous assumptions. People love guessing when they don't have a lot at risk because getting it wrong doesn't affect them, so therefore they will never learn. Plebs are important.
Plebs are important. Ricky Swang, did you hear that, chat? Plebs are, what was it? Not important. Thank you for the wise words, Ricky, man. Thanks for the contribution. Oh, man. I just think it's just weird, man. I don't get it. But yeah, you're right. It's like maybe I shouldn't even have to. Maybe I shouldn't worry about understanding what their mindset is and why they're making predictions, like crazy far out predictions where anything can happen with regulation. This market's so new. It's just like, how can you be so pretentious to believe that we're going somewhere when just dude, the amount of time that can go by before we get there, like, could prevent us from ever getting there, right? Because of just, again, news and crazy events. Okay, let's look at the vote. When will we hit 10,000 subs? Majority of y'all are saying 525. 11% of y'all are saying I'll never hit 10,000 subs. Thanks, y'all. And then we've got 16% of the audience says, here's the poll if you want to vote again. 523. Okay, so most people think it's going to be on the 25th of May. All right. So we're going to save this and see how well it ages. Wait. We do. 81 votes. Rookie numbers. Let's get these voting numbers up, dude. Kangs. Oh, yeah, we cool? I think we are, man. Thanks to the 530 people here. Holy crap. 297 likes. Thank y'all for the 297s. Alright, thumbs up, man. I don't understand. What does it have to do with Graphic Designers Uniting? Something like that? Zach Zenkowski. Oh, good. I'm glad I'm pronouncing it right, dude. Thank you, man, for letting me know. Sometimes I don't know, and I'm like, I'm not butchering their name. They're not even letting me know, man. What do I think of Matic? Matic had a huge pump. It retraced, and it's probably going to rally again to make a lower high, double top, or higher high, as discussed earlier in the day stream. All right. Okay, Apex Fundamentals. Good luck on your feels on Bitcoin.
A happy smile, contagious to all, with a heart of gold that never my role model. You set the bar high, but you taught me all I can do is try.
Dude, thanks for the rhymes. That's rhyme. That's rhyme. Thank you, Miss Shafterman, for the $5.55, the Morpheus coin, and the Jur. Thank you, dude. Really appreciate it. Thanks. After that horrible ending, can we just forget about the Dothraki, or however you spell it, Audric? I mean, we can, I guess. I don't know, man. Reading the books can always be with me, man. So, fortunately, I was able to, like, partake in reading the books before I saw the show. So, like, you know. And really, George R. R. Martin talks about that, right? Where, like, it gets so... When you read something, it gets so, like, your imagination gets so deep-rooted, and then, like, when a show comes along, it's like you're thinking about somebody in a completely different way than the casting that the producers or whoever it was picked for that role, actress role, whatever. Oh yeah, I forgot about fireworks. My bad, dude. They're your fireworks, chat. Thank you so much. Amazing. Completely depends, S. There's no, like, set number. Okay. I take them when there is a reason to take them. Okay. Bitcoin pumps again. You will hit that. You will hit that. Hawkhead, man. Good to see you, brother, man. Hawkhead, man, you've been around a long time, dude. Thanks for sticking around, dude. Being here. Kevin Phillips, you think Bitcoin's going to pop off tomorrow? We'll see, man. Again, it's like the theory is like, are we reaccumulating right now? It's possible. It's very possible we are in a reaccumulation phase for Bitcoin. All right. Will the next title give free marketing to Beer Blue Moon? To the Beer Blue Moon? You know that's like one of the worst beers in the world for you. It's like the heaviest in calories, like on one of the heaviest on the planet. Look it up, man. Hey, Jur, man, thanks for chiming in, man. Are you newer to? You say you're new to crypto. How long you been watching the stream, man? Just wondering. And is there anyone that's found me tonight that's watching, that's lurking? Say something. We want to hear from you. Okay. Okay, so you got J. Ed Martian saying it's about to get ugly real soon. All right, man. Well, if it does, we'll be ready. We'll be ready. We know exactly where we should stall if it does dump. If it dumps 7,400, if you break through that, maybe 7,000, 7,100, and then after that, 6,800. Okay. Careful on any kind of spoiler stuff, but I get it, man. It's like if you haven't seen Game of Thrones season finale, you probably never will, and you only have yourself to blame. Like, hey, I took full responsibility for copyright strike, right? Accountability. Like, if you hadn't seen Game of Thrones yet, you have only yourself to blame if it gets spoiled for you, right? At this point, it's the most critically acclaimed TV show in cable history, like by far. So, Josh. Ron Portal, you say, I found you this week. Excellent, man. Well, I'm glad you found me, dude. And, thanks for sticking around. And, dude, means a lot. Thank you, dude. ArchyScan found me yesterday. How'd you find me yesterday? Was it via static video? Because I actually was not able to stream on YouTube yesterday. So, what's up, Bonsai fan? You found me tonight and every other night? Nice, dude. Hey, Bart, coming in from the Netherlands. It's kind of late over there. I think really late, isn't it? Some could argue it's kind of early in the Netherlands. Lars Larson. Oh my god, Lars. Joined at 9K subs. Dang, dude. Well, thank you, man. Really appreciate it. And Michael Johnson. Dude, Michael Johnson. You famous Olympic fastest man in the world at one time. It says, first time listening to your live cast. Love it. Thank you, Michael, man. Well, stick around, dude. All right, stick around. It's, I don't know, man. It's a really good community we built. And if you're new here, be sure to check out our Discord because, like, when the live stream ends, that's where you can get in contact with me and everyone else in this community. All right. So this is not just a live stream. Hi, I'm Mitch Rated. It's a freaking amazing, brimming community growing rapidly every day. So, JS Live, thanks for the $1.99 super chat. Thank you, dude. Says, love your stream, man. Well, love your support, man. Thank you, dude. Oh, you know XRP found you a few days ago. Best find ever. Thanks, man. Don't make me blush, alright? Can you show me where I can find the MACD to add to the bottom like your chart shows? Simple, man. I mean, well, you just go to your indicators and you just type in MACD. And then you click this and it adds it. And then you're probably asking about customization. You just go to your cogwheel, your toolbar, that's what she said, Michael Scott, settings, and just go to the style and then unclick the lines. Turn off the line. I don't use them. Other people, I guess, do use them. I'm sure there's strategies and education. I just don't, there's not. We use a histogram, right? High sensitivity to price over time. All right, that's it, man. That was literally it. That's how you do it. Very simple. We do not need Lars Ulrich here, Stuart. I know, dude. Believe me. Hey, we just ran into him, Stuart. So we just dodged an effing bullet. We pulled a Neo. Mr. Damon be like, Mr. Damon's Morpheus, and I'm just like, the whole community is just like dodging the freaking copyright strike bullet, dude. Blockchain Hunter's been watching for a couple months now. Your blockchain. Well, sorry that we don't crap on blockchain ever. We know that technology is here to stay. It's revolutionary. It's amazing. But we do crap on a lot of projects that claim to have the right technology. Okay, sweet Michael Johnson, man. Thanks again, dude. Lars Larson, he doesn't like Lars Ulrich. Nice, dude. Good. You're in the right place, dude. Bart, if Bitcoin drops, the altcoins are going to go with Bitcoin. Okay, that is one of the closest things to a certainty in this market, right? The US dollar pairs, that is. So, Mrs. Speedy, I'm back, man. I made it. Jerry, you're a lurker, though. You won't cause problems, bruh. Dude, you're not causing problems, bruh, by just saying hi and hanging out with the community, man. We appreciate your contribution to the stream, man. Nate the Great's watching the Matrix right now. Bitcoin targets, look, if you can pivot here at 7,500, I'll be, dang, man, that's super strong. Okay, because that's like a higher low than your previous low Dude, that's an angle of ascent that is much greater if we start rallying here. But, you could definitely see us sell off to 7,400. If we don't hold 7,400, we come down to 7,100, gap fill, CME future stuff. And if you can't hold that, 6,800. But, again, you could bounce off 7,400 and then rally again and then reaccumulation phase. We've got the potential ascending triangle in development right now as it is. So there is plenty of room to run to the downside if we really wanted to. And on the 4 hour, there's plenty of fuel to run to oversold territory if we wanted to. Negative momentum still building. So we could keep selling off and keep making higher levels of negative momentum, all right? That's it, dude. Here about a month, Patrick Jones. Best find so far. Thanks, man. Dang, dude. Really appreciate that. James Glenn, don't make me go nuts, dude, on your Pundy Coin Connect talk, dude. I know you're debating. It's debate trolling, dude. Huh. Okay. Oh, I didn't see that. Sorry, Incubus fan. SMH XRP. As for XRP to BTC. Okay, hold on, dude. All right, if that's the case, we can just go to it. I'm sorry, man. I got like distracted, I think. Let me check my email too. Okay. Dude, yeah, thanks for the 22 XRP, Incubus fan. That's my bad, man. Like, again, I was trying to
talk about this chart, folded hands.
Oh, what? 333 repeating, of course, likes. Oh my god, y'all are amazing. What was that? Let me make sure I got this right. Nick Thompson. Thanks for the $5.49 super chat. Talk about this chart. Well, we've been talking about this chart. We'll talk about this chart for Incubus fan. And I don't know if he's still here. He might have been like, screw this guy, I'm out of here. But it's not my fault. The Streamlabs does not update their API every time Coinbase adds a new crypto. And so, like, they gave up because there's not enough demand for crypto tipping on Twitch. Go figure, right? So they stopped doing it. They stopped updating it. But you can tip me in like Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, BAT, Litecoin, and maybe a couple more. But all the others, the newer ones that got listed to Coinbase, they won't show up. And that's so sad, isn't it? That they're like that. So XRP, we did a static video on it today. It was specifically asked by Incubus fan. And, well, man, in the zoomed out view, you had a very nice explosion to the upside. Oh, God. But I'm sorry. With your nice move to the upside, all you did was make a lower high than your previous high and all the highs before it. So downtrend is still intact. And we are consolidating, and the consolidation is down sloping, which is good. It's bullish. But the thing is, you're in a downtrend as discussed in the video. So like any kind of bullish consolidation can easily just crap out and you can sell off. And we even discussed the scenario of the potential double bottom that could occur where you run right back down to 4,054. And then we could confirm to the market, hey, the bottom is in for now. And we could have a nice move to the upside. So really, I don't know, man. It's a BTC pair. They are in bear trends. Most of them are in really well-established downtrends. And so taking long positions on BTC pairs, you're counter trend trading. So you tell me, man, you want to take a shot. Now, some are like range bound and they're hitting extreme levels of support and they might be worth low risk, high reward opportunities. Okay. But this one, dude, is only down something. It's not range bound. It is just lower highs, lower lows, and the lower high, no difference here. All All right, man. So this could easily break out, make the measure move, and run all the way down to 42.76. And then at that point, we could probably run to 4,000 area. All right. XRP to BTC. A little bit of divergence on the MACD, but the negative momentum could keep building. Whatever. You see what I'm saying? It's just you're continuing to sell off. Terrible, dude. Okay, sorry. So thanks again, Nick Thompson, man, for the $7.99 Australian dollars, mate. Yeah, 500 strong, kings and queens. Michael Kelly, I'm a lurker. I say stuff every once in a while, dude. Fantastic, man. We love when you do, dude. Do I watch DAI? Cody, I don't even know what that is, man. Anyway. Invest? You could speculate, Sam Arnold, but to call those investments, that's kind of reaching, man, if you ask me. Okay. Chris M, but we'd never do that. What's up, DJ Joe Public? Good, Isaiah, bro. Alright. Well, dude, 9813 subs, man. Getting closer and closer to 10,000, dude. Let's go, man. Remember the poll. We have more votes coming in saying we will never hit 10,000 subs. 25 people in here say we'll never hit it. Oh, at least we know where the dislikes are coming from, Kappa. Die probably the stablecoin. Okay, because he was like saying, oh yeah, I don't know. Remember everyone laughed when we said we'd go lower on Die, and it did go lower. Russian bot. What's up, Russian bot? So I found the channel a week ago or so. I'm a poker player. Started using Bitcoin to avoid withdrawal fees. Seems like there's more money to be made in this crypto game. Yeah, man, if you're smart, you have a trading plan, you learn it, and you're consistent with it, right? How is DAI trash? It's a stablecoin? Oh, dude. I remember when it was at a certain price and it sold off. No one called it trash, but dude, oh my god, right? And like, PCZ Zone be screwed, dude. Like, we thought, look, this was like over like a month and a half ago. All right, we thought there was a nice PCZ here, a PRZ, a pattern completion zone, price reversal zone, and look, you just kept dumping from your previous swing low. You're at a 100% retrace now. Invalid harmonic. But we were up here, man. We were like 23,000 plus sats, and people were laughing about me like plotting this, and they're like, it's a stable coin, dude. And it's like, okay, and look where we are now. We got all the way down to 11,000 sats. So what a joke, dude. What a joke. Okay, man. So the minority of people think tomorrow, another minority of people think the day after, and most people think the 25th. Let's prove the majority of people wrong. All right, let's prove them wrong. Thanks to the 475 here. Remember when the Russian bots with proof of weak hands? Oh yeah, 3DP. Oh my god, dude. Yes, I remember. Bruh, we're not really Russian bots, bruh. We're gonna make you famous, Stuart. I remember that quote they said. What are the requirements to get the Moonboy hat? One bin. When the tip jar fills up is when we vote on what hat I wear, whether it's the Moonboy, Viking, or Wizard hat. Okay, that's how it is. I respected it, then disrespected it. Stayed home dead, right? Marty, unfortunately, you cannot sub twice, man. I'm sorry, dude. Dude, what a quiet night for crypto. Good God. Very, very quiet evening. Not much going on. It's too quiet. Or is it a trap? Is 10,000 a special number? Of course, man. I've never hit quintuple digits before on a YouTube sub, count. Never. Alright? Big deal to me anyway. Blue, okay, that makes sense, dude. Alright. Let me do a rundown real quick. Nick Thompson, man, thank you so much. JNS Life, Mr. Chaffin, man, Ricky Swing, Hugh Janice, XRP, The Green New Deal, Kanatomo with no E, Ricky Swings again, Manimal, many Ricky Swings. Thank you, dude, so much, Rick. Oh, that's it. Oh, Mr. Damon and Rick again. All right, so it's been all Rick tonight, really. It's been the main men. Okay, got it right. And did we have any? Mikey Potts, man, thanks for the sub, dude. Really appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. Crap, man. Let me log out and go on my other one. On my Twitch. Perfect. Okay, we're good. That's it, man.
Can you take a brief read of and let me know your thoughts? Algo trading system, could they be the future of trading?
Signals.network. Oh, what, do I type that down on Google or something? I mean, algo trading, it's not just the future, it's the present now, if you didn't know. Well, in the stock market, that is. And every day that goes by in crypto, more and more bots join the game. Yeah, it looks like it's a way to automate your trading ideas. That sounds like a cool idea, man. Right? Yeah, man. Yeah, it looks like a great idea. I'm sure there's probably competitors they have too. So, Nick Thompson, yeah, man. I mean, it's not. No, I don't know if they'll be the future of trading, but it's already here, right, Nick? So, 60% of trading done on Wall Street is algos and bots. 40% are humans. And so what you do is pre-market, you scan for the highest amount of volume, and that's an indicator to let you know where the humans are that day, so you can trade the volatility every morning. Pre-market scans. Oh yeah. Said you were unable to send a tip. Is that, man? I don't know about that, Mikey, man. Well, thank you for watching, and thanks for the sub, dude. Again, welcome to the community, man. Okay, so thank y'all so much for watching tonight. It's been a extremely wonderful experience, as always, with y'all. Just is a blessing every day for me. All right, and I try just to never take it for granted. This opportunity, each and every one of you have given me, and you got my word. I'm just going to keep working as hard as I possibly can for all of you every day. All right, I can't predict exactly where the market's going to go. All right, I'm not going to try to make outlandish predictions. Oh, we're going to 1K, we're going to 2K, we're going to 4,500. I'll tell you what's going on at hand and the probabilities of where we can go from one spot to another. All right, that's what I will do. And I'll keep people grounded, protect them from going into crazy FOMO worlds, because other people are going crazy, right? So freaking love y'all. I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the T. A.
Oh, it's good.
Adios, turd nuggets.